final condition of our universe looks very much like the initial conditions of a Big Bang, where there's just light and potentiality from which there's a creation that's emerging. So he calls it like one universe that goes from a point, expands out, and it ends, is also the beginning of another universe. And the end of that one is the beginning of another one. So there's an infinite chain of cycles of cosmology. Now, it may appear like this is crazy. He called it an outrageous theory when he wrote the paper, because just before other people say it, But this is how science progresses. If you don't have anything that's really out there as a proposal, then you never progress, right? So, but this is amazing. This is an amazing proposal, because now this is actually also completely written in the Puranas. These are already saying, like the rishis and sages who have that divine vision inside of them have seen it and written it down. Independently sort of are describing this cosmology, where it says that the universe expands, it dissolves, there's a dissolution, there's expansion, there's creation, and then there's a few billion years of dissolution. And after dissolution, there's another creation. And it's the same as if you look at the parallel. You have the creation, and then you have the dissolution, which is similar to how all the black holes would evaporate, and how all the protons would decay, and the things with matter would lose its properties and dissolve into fundamental photons, and so on.
Which, by the way, in the Puranic description, every creation of Prakriti would lose its features, in a sense, and dissolve back into just primordial Prakriti, like Prakriti being just the substance that then gives rise to all the various objects that material creation is composed of. And so in a sense, the photons that you're describing would serve that purpose as such. It's like the ground elements, perhaps, like the very basic foundation that from then